Where the whole world still relies on water to put out fires, China is using rocket launchers, sky-high drones, and modern robot armies. With all these incredible secret mega technologies, China has taken firefighting technology to the next level. In today's video, we are going to see the auction of 5 of China's most mind-blowing and most advanced firefighting technologies that have amazed the whole world. Where the whole world still runs around with thousands of gallons of water in fire trucks to put out fires, China is not using water in fire trucks, but a swarm of high-tech drones. These firefighting drones from China alone can attack the fire with the power of 10 ordinary fire trucks. Imagine a 50-story skyscraper or multi-story building on fire. It is incredibly challenging for ordinary firefighters to reach there. But for these drones from China, it is like safe child's play. They hover in the air and extinguish the fire perfectly. And if the windows of the building are closed, the drones fire a special type of chemical missile. This missile breaks through the stonework of the window and enters directly inside, and within seconds actively spreads chemicals and cuts off the oxygen supply of the fire. Remote jungle human areas or populated cities. These drones can work in any situation by tearing through the chest of the fire. You'll be surprised to know that where it is completely impossible to extinguish the fire, even with thousands of gallons of water or bombs. These drones throw special type of chemical grenades from above. You cannot imagine how effective these grenades are. As soon as this grenade falls on the burning inferno, any terrible fire is completely under control within just 10 seconds. This is not a science fiction movie. This is China's next generation firefighting technology. The most destructive form of nature is forest fire is. Sometimes this fire is started by the friction of dry branches. And when it spreads for miles, it becomes impossible for ordinary firefighters to control it. To make this possible, China has launched its most advanced technology into the sky. Aerial firefighting aircraft carrier. The most amazing thing is that when a forest fire breaks out, these gigantic aircraft do not land at any airport and wait to load water and wait. Instead, they fly directly to a nearby sea or river. Without landing, the aircraft touch out the surface of the water while moving and pull 3,000 gallons of water into their bellies in just 20 seconds. After loading water, these superplanes run towards the burning fire at rocket speed. Then, in just 4 to 5 seconds, the entire 3,000 gallons of water crash onto the burning inferno. This intense shock of water falling from the sky cuts off the oxygen supply of the fire within seconds, where even thousands of people cannot bring the fire under control for months. These aerial firefighters from China completely cooled down the fire in the entire area in just a few rounds. China's technology to calm the fierce nature is truly a unique wonder in today's world. When a fire breaks out in a huge chemical factory or industrial plant, the situation goes beyond the control of the ordinary fire brigade. There is an extreme risk to human life due to toxic gases, chemical explosions, and the intense radioactivity of the fire. In such dangerous situations, coming into contact with fire means certain death. And to solve this complex problem, China has created a group of modern firefighting robots. Although small in size, the power of these robots is incredible. China uses remote control to control the entire fire by throwing water or chemical spray at great speed through the high-pressure pipe attached to it. Apart from this, China has also created some robots that look completely like dogs. These high-tech robot dogs can easily run through any narrow, inaccessible road and reach the source of the fire. The most amazing thing is that a special water or gas is sprayed at high speed through the mouth of this robot dog, which instantly reduces the oxygen level around the fire to zero and the fire is extinguished. Wow. This robotic army made in China in the midst of the chemical hell proves that China is now completely dependent on technology and they are always ready to deal with any terrible accident. Where ordinary fire trucks run on city roads, this super truck was born to deal with all the terrible plane accidents at the airport in Zhenande. You will be surprised to know that this gigantic vehicle can run from 0 to 50 miles in just 14 seconds. Not only that, it's a high-tech, hydromechanical pipe is so strong that it can penetrate the hard metal body of any plane and directly extinguish the fire. There is no other more reliable fighter in the world to save the lives of planes worth crores of rupees and thousands of people at the airport. Magirus FireBull. Just by hearing the name, you can understand that its work is not like an ordinary fire truck. This monster runs effortlessly through inaccessible mountainous forests. Steve Mepinsa slopes, or where ordinary cartwheels dare not turn. You will be surprised to know that its special turbine converts water into billions of tiny particles like fog at high speed and throws them into the air. As a result, the oxygen supply to the fire is cut off within seconds and the fire cools down in an instant.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot and helps us create more great content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.